Alright guys, November 2nd, it is the release of the new colorway for the EMERICA OG1s, aka the MJ ones, aka the Marc Johnson ones, aka the greatest skate shoe ever made. Are you ready? Are you ready for the new colorway? Oh my God. Which one do you guys want? Oh, well, this one? Yeah. You want that one. Black and off-white creamy. Oh, so clean. Oh, look at that beautiful classic sole. Talk about a throwback of perfection. The dirt. What is that? I don't know what that is. It looks way worse on the camera than it does in real life. But whoo, doggy, these are sick. Look at that. Oh, man, that is so good. Now, little known fact, man, that is clean. I've not looked at these for a while. They're so beautiful. Man, that black it really pops when you're looking at it, especially compared to the navy ones, which I love. I love the OG color navy, but I love this black and white. It is popping in real life. Whew. Anyway, little known fact, did you know that this shoe, or the MJ ones, the Marc Johnson, that was America's first pro model shoe? And then came the Reynolds and, why am I forgetting your name? Ellingtons, and there's one more. Oh, Templetons, yeah. Or Chris Sen, I don't know. Anyway, all the first ones, or all the first pro model shoes there, but MJ was the first. My dude, so sick. So hyped on these. And now that I have two pair, maybe I will actually save one and not skate it. Who knows? And America, if you're listening, I love what you're doing right now. Keep these coming. If I had a preference, if you were gonna ask a small-time guy like me, I'd say put out those black, all blacks with just the yellow or gold trim. That would be amazing. Please and thank you. All right, guys. Hope you guys find yourself a pair. Snag them, skate them, shred them. See you in the next one. Peace.